think you'd have to add some kind of classical piano to this too, just because it would suit the darkness down there.
Agree.
Little
agree.
Mozart.
Yeah.
Okay.
Some Chopin. I think so.
There was a suggestion yesterday or the day before for Ravel, ondines, which are water nymphs.
Water nymphs.
Ah, yes.
O-N-D-I-N-E.
Water nymphs.
I think you can also spell it with a U at the front.
Spell that again.
O-N-D-I-N-E.
O-N-D-I-N-E.
I thought we added that one. Ravel sounds familiar.
Yeah.
It was suggested by someone in
Yeah,
the chat.
someone in the
Oh,
chat.
Yeah.
that's right. We must have added it.
I had to go look that up afterwards.
Was it good?
Yeah.
Good.
Let's just check that.
You can zoom as I'm approaching it there.
Yeah, I think this is maybe a cast. One of those enigmatic brown things.
Enigmatic brown things. I love those.
Oh no.
Is that one of our urchins?
Yeah.
Oh, let's zoom in on that little guy.
No.
Try and
Looks
get
like something
stable.
else.
Looks strange. Looks like there's like a whole little community of white things around it.
Oh, zoom out, please. Just a little
Thanks,
too rocky
Tim.
there.
What do we think? Sponge?
I think I'd go with the urchin, because it is perfectly round. But I couldn't make out the needles.
Quick zoom again.
Okay,
Yeah,
let's try.
that looks like
Second
the
time's
same.
going to be the charm. Yep.
If we could get...
Oh yeah.
Tilt up a bit.
looks like sponge to me.
Yeah, I think
Looks
you
like
could be
that,
right. It's actually not
yeah.
perfectly round, is it?
No, and it has that depression in the center, which looks... But it's
Yep.
strange. Definitely
Yep.
strange.
It's certainly been slimed again.
Like that green ghost from Ghostbusters.
Yeah.
Alright, let's see. Probably scoot back out ahead a little bit, Tim.
Give me two more meters. Okay. Thanks.
Okay, the chat wants our playlist to be live. I will share it to Instagram, so stay tuned. Probably after this watch, we'll get that link up.
Sean, do you want to look at that white ball in the middle there?
Why not?
Okay, let's zoom
Yeah.
in.
I've got the time, I guess.
Oh.
There you go.
Is that another one of those perfect? Yeah, look
Yep.
at that.
And go wide, please. Thanks, Jana.
Wow, there's not much here, is there?
No,
I think it's going to be like this for the rest of the Traverse, actually.
You do?
Yep.
Oh.
I'm very confident. Nothing else is going to come out of any interest. Go on.
Darn it all.
I taunt you. I dare you.
Yeah, you're probably right.
Thanks for the moral support. Let's see if that helps get us over the line.
Come on, Ocean, prove us wrong. How about that birthday cake yesterday? That was pretty good. Yeah. You know what I liked more? Was the manicotti. Oh, it's like, you're not on SPL. It's like it's kind of like lasagna, but it's big tube noodles,
yeah.
and then you stuff the noodles with like ricotta and mozzarella.
I
and
never saw them.
Parmesan.
They actually came out, did they?
Yeah.
I missed them completely.
It looked like a lasagna.
I was looking for them.
Yeah,
I was looking for them.
It was good.
I'm glad
I think
you
they
guys
all got
enjoyed
eaten
it.
before I got to the trough. That's what happened.
I think the cake was my favorite.
The cake was good too, and it was ice cream sundae.
Yeah, it was a wonderful day.
It was-
One of the best days.
Did you
on
love?
this cruise.
Did you love the day?
I loved that day, and I loved that cake. I had
Oh, something
2
off
and
the
3
right there.
pieces.
Oh, nice. Way to go.
Yeah, let's swing right and look at that. Oh, there's a swimmer of some kind. Oh, look at it go. It's climbing up. I think we've missed it now, have we? There it is.
Oh,
Going to
yep.
catch that?
Oh, come back in frame.
It looks like a small jelly, I think, is it?
Yep.
Little
Yeah.
gelatinous guy.
I know, it had tentacles and everything. Okay. Oh,
Did I gender it? I'm sorry.
Another shrimp. I mean, shrimp. Oh my gosh, another sponge.
Yep.
I have shrimp on my mind now. Can you tell?
What did you have for lunch?
Always come back for food.
I made a bougie ramen.
Yeah, it
Oh,
was a
it's-
beautiful
Yeah.
ramen.
Oh, you didn't have
know.
any of the shrimp, I
I
take it then.
didn't, no.
That's why.
I should have, clearly.
Yeah.
Go ahead and zoom.
Looks like there's something growing on that stalk along with it.
Mm. Oh yeah, look at that.
Oh, a few somethings, huh?
Yeah, let's try and get a good zoom on that, please.
I'll sit down for a second and
Sure.
tilting down just a touch. Oh, there we go.
We also have some new colors here. Those
Yeah,
yellows aren't what
those.
we've been seeing.
Very nice. They almost look like little anemones attached to
Yeah,
that
right?
sponge.
Oh,
Ooh.
beautiful.
go.
Ooh.
They do look like anemones, don't they?
Yep.
And go wide, please.
Thanks, Tim. Thanks, everyone.
Good job.
Thank
Get
you.
snatched back to port here.
Gonna race a little bit to get ahead again.
Yep, no worries. It doesn't look like we're missing much.
If you really want to guarantee some serious abundance, I will have the ship speed up a little bit.
Yeah, that's right. New species of underwater colossal squid.
Yes.
Let's go. I'm here for it.
Oh, me too. I still believe that we will see one, so.
Science, I know we have a little bit of altitude here, but it seems like the water's slightly more turbid here than it was
Yeah.
I agree.
overnight.
A lot more. So,
Do you have any thoughts on why that might be?
Depends
No.
on the productivity above this column of seawater, maybe?
it's all very low. We barely moved, but
Never
for a while there I thought that the ROV had stirred it up and we're just drifting back into it, but it shouldn't. Do you know which way the current's going?
Other than the pilots telling me which way they feel they're being pushed, we don't have a DVL or anything on Little Herc, so I don't have any in situ readings from down there.
From the
Could
snow,
also
it's not
be
moving
like-
fast. It's just sitting there, yeah.
Some like event that caused a whole bunch of sediment to be suspended and it's like drifting this way. I don't really know what would cause
Yeah.
that. But the nodules also
Let's
look a
just
lot
do a
lighter
quick zoom
than
on
they
that.
were.
I think it's a tooth.
Go ahead and zoom.
Oh, tooth lights.
Yeah, I think it's the back of a tooth, eh?
Oh,
Pretty
yeah,
Seems
sure.
Pointing away from us. All right,
Pretty
thank you.
cool.
Up at the surface here, we're looking at about half a knot to
Okay.
the southwest.
Let's go there.
Yeah,
Have
I saw
we got
that. So I
room?
was
Often
hoping we
quite
could see
different down below.
that. Right. What's about like 5,000 meters to
Yeah.
change.
Yeah, right.
Just a bit.
Yeah, and I mean, there have been a few little squalls, but they don't normally go all the way to the seabed. If it was something
Oh,
like
yeah.
a massive eddy or a cyclone, you could imagine a
Perhaps.
big low pressure system.
Even then.
Because there's good evidence that sediment does get resuspended by natural
Go ahead and zoom there.
things.
pretty. Oh, maybe that's another bryozoan, but we'd have to really zoom in onto the structure to tell, yeah. Huh.
And go wide, please.
Thanks, Tim.
Thanks.
Okay.
I have a feeling that's what it is. Possibly one of those urchins.
Let's head over to the port side.
The white dot out front.
Yeah, let's go check him out. Looks like we've got the room. Happy to just go over it, Sandy?
Yeah.
Yep. Let's just cruise over the top.
Looking like a sponge.
Looks like a sponge to me.
If it walks like a sponge and talks like a sponge.
So remember, Sandy, how excited you were to see a glass sponge.
Oh, I was very excited. Am really excited. I still think they're
You
cool.
still are?
Oh,
okay.
yeah.
I've got good news for you. I think we're going to see a few more.
I also have a good feeling about that. They're not as novel as they were on the very first dive, but it's still fascinating to me that you could have a glass creature that's living with
I know.
one cell, a whole bunch of nucleus within it, choanocytes on the interior of the sponge, creating a little vortex funnel for the water to be sucked in, all these little amoebocytes drifting on little cytoplasmic like highways through the sponge to give little nutrients to different parts of the sponge. And it doesn't have a brain, no nerves that we know of, a microbiome that we're not really sure what it's made of.
If you all can't see Sandy right now, she is like, I've never seen someone so excited about glass in my life.
What was that game you were playing?
What game?
The one
Articulate?
like charades. What was it called?
Oh, is that the Cahanas game, the one you guys keep
Yeah,
playing?
Articulate.
Articulate. So is a glass sponge in that? Because I think we know what you'd do.
Yeah.
I hope so. We should make a marine version of Articulate. I would play that.
Oh gosh, can you imagine? That would be terrible.
No, scientific names only.
Oh, that would be that.
That would be terrible.
I don't know if I could play that one.
I could definitely not play that one.
They have a nature category in that game, and it's pretty fun. Sometimes you get like leaf, and you have to be like green, open to the sun. You know.
Oh, so you have their cards that give you.
Yeah,
so if you
there's
like are familiar
cards.
with the game, you'll know kind of the reoccurring.
No.
Oh, you won't. Okay.
No. Well,
you'll
so
know
each card has different categories. There's like 7 categories. So you have like object, action, random.
Okay, let's. We've got a bit of room. Let's just check out that little white fleck.
But you never know what.
Which one you're gonna have. Yeah.
Right.
Go ahead and
Lindsay's
zoom.
really good at that game.
She seems like she would be.
Yeah, she's
to catch up with
fantastic.
you.
What is that little baby white
I've got
thing?
no idea. I think even the super zoom can't get close enough.
Tilting the other way.
Let's try and get like a little magnifying glass
I
on
think
that.
it's going to be. Oh.
Oh,
Then
nice.
again.
Huh.
Can you see what that is?
Looks like a.
Looks a bit shell-like.
Yeah. Maybe
Could be a test.
gastropod.
Maybe suspected from the surface.
It's too white.
You reckon?
Not sure.
Okay,
Looks
let's
like
move on.
Oh, look at that little
Oh.
shrimp
Little
settling
shrimp,
down
shrimp.
next
Yeah,
to it.
on
That's
there.
cute.
Let's see if we can pan a little bit to the left. Look at that tiny thing.
Looks like a ghost shrimp. But that's not what this is.
Don't have quite enough light on it, do we?
No, no, we can see the antenna. It's definitely some kind of shrimp, I think.
Looks weird.
Mm.
Cool.
Okay, and
Okay.
Thanks,
zoom out,
Tim.
please.
Yep, thank you.
Yeah, mind your tether a little bit.
Yeah, do you want to come in a little bit on the tether?
Yep, come up.
Oh, there's another circle.
Yeah,
Yeah.
you just can't get them all, but
I heard they were playing in that last watch, the game, is it an urchin, is it a sponge?
Ah. I was just thinking one cruise we were doing,
that's a holothurian coming under us.
we were counting squat lobsters. We had
Yeah.
someone who was researching squat lobsters, and every time there was a squat lobster seen on the feed, everyone would get up and do a squat.
How many times did you find a Scott lobster?
A lot.
Oh,
I
really?
mean,
We
yeah,
haven't seen
there
any here.
are a
Good
lot.
workout, huh?
We haven't seen any on these
No,
sides.
we haven't.
That's a bit deep, I think.
It'd be kind of nice to be doing squats, though.
I know, yeah. We had the count on the whiteboard over there, and,
Nice.
and then everyone would be
Let's
in the
just
lounge
check this one out, please.
doing squats.
Lounge doing squats.
Yeah. It's the little things out here that
I
keep us
agree.
going.
I agree. Let's see. It looks like a sponge to me.
Okay, go ahead and zoom.
Because it has that sort of like parasol shape. Yeah.
With something on it?
Oh,
Oh,
my
yeah.
gosh, look at that.
There's a real hitchhiker. Hey, look at these buggers.
Wow.
You're sitting
They
there
really
minding your own
like-
business and one of them climbs up your back.
It's kind of like kids, isn't
Helps
it?
himself to your food.
Little siblings.
I was going to talk about senior management and consultants there for a second, but I'll back off.
Little arthropod there, too.
Oh yeah, see the little stem below it? That's right,
Yeah.
we'll move on. Hasn't been too many corals really, have there?
No, not in this area.
John, do we see much pumice down here?
Adam said he found a few pieces, which is
Okay.
quite remarkable.
That's pretty
We
cool.
do see it occasionally, yeah. I haven't seen any so far, but it can be quite hard to pick out if it's been there very long because it gets manganese coated,
Oh,
and,
sure.
and it may end up being the center of a nodule. But if it's a fresh piece, it's still usually a bright color.
Where does it come from?
Oh,
Drift down, or is it?
yeah, so pumice is a kind of volcanic rock. Can we just check that out, please? I don't know if that's
Looks like a
my
low
imagination
pass.
or something there. And so they come out of certain
Go ahead and zoom.
volcanoes, and there's one in Tonga that's really famous, producing a lot of pumice.
Oh,
No,
yeah?
okay, it was my imagination. We can move on, thank you.
Looks like you see a
Yeah.
little thing.
Oh, that
on
one
the
there?
left
While we're
there.
there?
See that?
Sure. Sorry, we'll just get that while we're here. So what happens is that pumice just travels all around the world on the oceans.
Okay.
Because it
I think
floats.
that's a holothurian. Thank you, Tim.
Yeah, but some of it is just on the limit of floating or sinking. And while it's floating along the sea, a couple of things can happen, but most commonly animals attach themselves to it, and then it sinks.
Okay.
And then they get carried to their doom, basically, on what they thought was a nice piece of pumice.
Oh no,
and
they just went for a cruise.
And usually when it gets to the seabed, it doesn't go back up again. The pressure, so pumice is full of little,
Pores?
they're called vesicles, I guess, or they may be full of gas. Gas and fluid, and I suppose some of those will probably get crushed on the way down.
On the way down, okay.
And then that's it, it stays down there. Just you only need to lose a few, I suppose, if it's marginal.
Sure.
So normally from the size of the pumice you get an idea how far it's travelled, but it's pretty rough. And we've only ever found pumice around the size of a nodule, basically.
Oh, wow.
3 or 4 centimetres across, yeah.
So is it The bigger the size, the closer it is to its source?
Yeah, because it breaks up. So if you go on top of the
pretty
volcano
cool.
in Tonga, you get a pumice raft. It's just pumice from, not from horizon to horizon, but it could be over a kilometre across, and it's just
Wow.
pumice everywhere. And ships have got to be careful going through it because
Wow.
they suck water in to cool their engines, and the pumice can block those inlets. Yeah.
Cool.
Let's just pop in and look at that one. Thank you. But even a long way away, so Australia's a long way away from Tonga, but after a big eruption on the beaches in Australia, we often get pieces the size of your fist
We've
or
got
even
that
the size of your
dark
head,
trail,
make it all the
just
way there.
It's more or less
But over
center
time,
now.
they get broken.
Looks like it has like a ray of something coming out of it. Hard to tell.
Oh yeah, right there in the middle.
Yeah.
Go ahead and zoom. And go wide, please.
So is it the same kind of pumice that you get at the spa?
Yep, pretty much. I guess for the spa, they'll try and get finer grained pumice, you know, if you're going to exfoliate.
Foot
Sometimes
grade
pumice is really coarse and a bit rougher. But if it's natural pumice, yeah.
I'm really on
That's
this
pretty
like
cool.
spa kick right now. Is there a spa
Really?
in Raro that I can go to while we're there?
Or we'll give you a nodule, you can try. It's
Just
got a
me.
fairly rough surface.
I used to work at this resort and they had like a 5-star spa. And
Ah.
so it looked so nice in there. I was never allowed to use the spa, of course, but it looked great. you
Sandy's
know.
just looking at it. She's like, I love to look at this.
I just feel the relaxation, you know, soaking in.
All
It
those people
exudes.
being treated with
Oh,
an inch
yeah.
of their lives.
They had like an
Yeah.
infinity pool and they had like, I don't know, hot tubs and waited on them
Just-
hand and foot.
I just
on the
couldn't do it. I
stones.
just get bored.
Being at a spa?
Yeah.
Depends on the spa.
I'd rather
maybe.
go to a fancy whiskey bar or something. Yeah, can you check that one out, please? Or was it
I could
Sukarno?
fix
No,
the
no, it's
spa.
nothing. Sorry about that.
I think I
Keep
could
going.
do spa
Steady
too.
as she goes.
I would probably just fall asleep.
Oh, there it is on the
Oh
left.
yeah, that's the
Just that.
point. I don't think I've ever stayed awake through a massage.
Really?
Yeah.
I've never had a good massage.
Oh.
I've had 2 massages and they were terrible.
Oh gosh, I was in the Philippines last fall and it's like massages are just a part of the culture, you know? And
Yeah.
you just go every day and get a massage and it was so great.
I'm happy for you.
Thank you.
I hope you get another one.
Me too. I hope we all get a good spa day or whatever.
Go to a nice whiskey bar.
Yeah. Good sushi roll, whatever it is.
Yeah.
Yeah.
What are those things you're telling about? The
Inari.
Inari. I
Yeah.
really need to try Inari. If
Oh,
anyone
they're
knows,
so good.
yeah, if anyone knows where to get Inari on
Let's just head
Rarotonga.
that way, please. I
Let me
don't know
know.
if there's anything. We really are
Looks like a
clutching at
little bit of
straws now, aren't we?
stalk.
We're only a tiny bit deeper, aren't we?
Can you zoom in a little bit?
Yeah, let's
Looks
get
like
that front
those
one.
sediment-covered vase sponges.
Mm.
Maybe? I don't know.
Even the little white sponges, there's hardly any of those, you know, those tiny little
Yeah.
ones.
I don't know what that is.
Yeah. I think we're good.
Interesting.
I think we're good with that.
Yeah.
Let's continue, please. Okay. Are we looking? Yep, we've got time. Let's go check this one out, please.
Looks like a little urchin there directly to the right.
Yeah, I think you could just flag it as that, eh?
Yeah, I will.
Yeah. This one looks like it's on a stalk.
I'd agree.
Go ahead and zoom.
Cool. Sponge.
Got it?
Yeah.
Okay, thank you. Just as you zoom out, there's something on the right. Yeah, holothurian, I think, is it?
Where? Oh, yeah,
Yeah.
probably.
While you're settled, let's just zoom in on that one quickly.
Yeah, go ahead and zoom.
No, sponge.
No, a small sponge.
Yeah.
A tiny small one behind it as well.
Very cute.
Tim, can we come around more to the center? I'm having
It
a
is
hard
that
time
same
seeing the
color
tether.
of the holothurian, like sea pigs that we've been seeing, though.
Yeah, it's been really quiet, eh?
Yeah,
Definitely a change.
for sure.
Getting back into position in front of Atalanta here.
Oh, even in the light, the tether. Oh, there it is.
How's the camera with that?
Oh,
Does that help?
it does, actually. It's coming back in now. It was just a combination of being off to the side and being pretty cloudy back there.
Oh, let's go to the left, please.
Looks like a fish, maybe?
Yeah. Oh, is it?
Oh.
Yeah, the casts underneath. The thing in the water column.
Yeah,
Let's
let's
try to
do
zoom
that.
and we'll see if it's got a grey head or not.
Yeah, true. If it does, it could be a Leucissaurus. Leucissaurus? Not sure.
Oh, I'm getting a little too far away from us here.
Might be the heaving in the ship. Did you just get a little tug?
I did, yeah.
Yeah. They're heaving quite a bit right now.
Can you give me a meter out
Sure.
or two?
Can we zoom in on that? The one below us? Too late?
Yeah.
Look at that thing move, eh?
Yeah, it's gone.
Go ahead and zoom.
Oh, beautiful.
Is it like
Different.
Yeah.
Different than
Totally
before.
different. Looks a bit like a cascade, doesn't it?
A little
It's
bit.
very white.
Wow, that's pretty.
Thank you.
Oh, look at that headshot. That was good.
Yes.
What about there to the left? Or was it that patch of
This one here?
sediment? It's a patch of
That's a
sediment,
cast, I think. Yeah, no,
Never mind.
steady as she goes.
Yep, it is a cuskeel. Bassozetus
Cool.
is the name. Very cool.
I've got to get
Thank you,
a little
Asher.
bit more to the starboard side of me here.
No problem. All the good life's on the port side, so you make our job easier if you go to the starboard and we don't have to log it.
This is the ghost morphotype of this type of fish.
Oh yeah,
Yeah.
ghost morph.
Yeah, ghost morphotype. Very Halloween themed. Very cool. All white with a little gray head. Super cute.
Is that tether better for you there, Ryan?
A little more tether?
No, I'm
Oh.
just asking if that's better for you now.
Yeah, yeah,
Yeah.
you can see it very clearly now.
Okay, just keep it steady. We'll probably try and look at least at one of these things. Should we pick the two big ones?
Yeah, let's do the big ones.
Doesn't matter which way around.
Let's get a little bit closer to them. And you can zoom.
Two sponges on a stalk. Very nice.
It'd be nice if we get both of them in because they're different forms.
Yeah. I think they're both glass sponges though.
Mm.
But you're right, different. Because you can tell the stalks are different
Yeah.
too.
Can we? Sweet. Oh, there's a floater. And they're moving fairly quick. It's almost like the current is coming towards us. This is murky, isn't it? It wasn't like this earlier. Can we make a note on the murkiness of the water? Just a general note, and
Yeah.
then maybe a note to just see if we can compare it with the tides, the timing of tides, if that's possible. Yeah, I really wish we had a turbidity sensor on.
That'd be cool.
It'd be really good to record through the dive if it's changed.
It'd be very
Oh,
cool.
there you go on the left. That's
Yeah.
yes, I don't know what that was.
Little jumper.
Yeah. That's, I think we've lost it. It's okay. You keep going. It wasn't a shrimp. It was like a
Looked like a little copepod creature.
yeah. So far the ocean's refusing to rise to my taunts.
She's saving it up for a grand finale.
You reckon?
I do.
It'll be just after the end of the traverse. Eh?
Yeah,
As
it'll
in
be
like a
after you
guard.
leave now
Yeah.
because you're testing her so much.
Can we zoom in on that little pale brown thing? I'm pretty sure we know what it is, but let's go double check.
Okay, go ahead and zoom.
Oh, is that the xeno?
Could be. You just got to.
The one off to the right or straight
Yeah,
ahead?
the one off to the
Off
right.
to the right, please.
Please and thank you. Nice.
Oh. I might have to pick up and
If we're running short of
Back
time,
to
it's
center.
okay. But if we've got the room, that'd be great.
Someone asked how those white squirmy things are reproducing when the ocean is so big. And I assume by white squirmy things, you're maybe talking about holothurians. And that is actually a challenge in the deep sea. You know, it is quite large and hard to reproduce, hard to find a mate. But different creatures have different adaptive techniques and strategies to reproduce. Holothurians, for example, are all hermaphrodites. So that means that they can either be male or female, depending on, you know, the other holothurian that they meet. So that kind of goes around the, oh, if a male and a male meet, they can't really reproduce. But if they're all hermaphrodites, it doesn't really matter what gender they are.
Quite an assemblage on that stem there, eh?
Yeah,
See
let's
if we
take a look
can
at that.
zoom in on that, please.
And sometimes creatures will follow chemical tracings. So copepods, for example, will, like the males will follow the,
go ahead and zoom.
that looks like a parasol sponge, one of the cladorhizidae sponges, one of those carnivorous ones. That's what that is. But on it, huh, that's beautiful.
Got quite a few hitchhikers, eh?
Hitchhikers. Oh, let's see if we can, ah, pretty.
Okay, and go wide.
Wow.
Okay,
Wonderful zoom.
great.
Thanks, Shanna.
I'm passing you a little bit there, Tim.
Yeah.
Don't know if you want to note that look like a brown stalk, maybe a xeno in the background.
Okay. But yeah, sometimes creatures will follow pheromone trails, and sometimes they'll just stumble upon each other. And other times, creatures in the dark will use bioluminescent signals to try and find a mate. Lots of different strategies, lots of different techniques. But it is a challenge, and that's why lots of them live a long time, is because their life histories require a lot of time to find a good mate to reproduce with. It's quite lonely in the deep sea for some of these guys.
And this, since we dropped off the ridge, I think the biomass has dropped off even more. There was a very subtle contour ridge on the bathymetry. Anyway, when we tally up the observations, hopefully they'll come out.
Look at that little stalk emerging from the deep.
We've got a bit of room. Shall we just pop in and look at that, please?
Sure. You can zoom in.
Oh, pretty. Again, that like vase-like sponge with a little creature on the inside.
Yeah, can we look at that dot at the top?
Yeah, could we get a zoom in on that?
Here, I'll set down and get stable. Okay,
We
go
want to
ahead.
see if it's got any legs.
Tilting down.
It does look, oh, it does. Look at that. Oh,
Nope.
It's got other legs. There's like 4 little legs, like a piece of furniture. Oh yeah, look at the
you can see the little
whiskers coming out
antennas,
the top, yeah.
Nice.
It'd be nice to
That's a
prod
good
it to
zoom.
see if it would swim out, or if it's trapped in there, but I presume it can get out.
If we get a top-down view, which I don't know, that could be quite hard like
If you
this,
can.
we could see if it's trapped or not.
Zoom wide and I'll...
Thanks, Tim.
Oh, I should have got that thing on the left while you're there, but that's all right.
Might see it in the down camera here.
Okay. There you go.
Yeah, light wasn't quite right in front.
Oh, good. Some dancing. Looks like another decapod or something swimming past.
Probably a little spot.
Holothurian
Sure.
over there. Further, yeah, it's a decapod. It's a holothurian.
So about what I said, someone asking in the chat about the single-celled aspect of the glass sponges. Their tissue, it's called syncytial. So
Let's see if we can grab that quickly. Sorry, we've gone past it, have we?
that looks like a fish.
Got a little fish
Can
lower
you
left there.
Zoom quickly.
Yeah, let's see if we can get a good zoom on that.
Yeah, it's one of those. One of our grey-headed mates, huh?
Let's see if we can get closer.
Nope. A shy one.
Oh,
There goes.
nice.
Oh. Yeah. Did it change colour?
Does it change color?
As we came around, maybe it was the light. I'm sure it got darker. All right, thank you very much.
Very cool. Maybe it bends the light in different ways because of the composition of its tissue. Who knows?
Back row, if no objection, I'm going to see if we can pick up our speed just
That's
a hair
all right.
Yes.
for this next segment. Make sure we get to our last waypoint.
Not a
Which
problem.
should put us there right on time.
Perfect.
We on our second last one, or?
Yep, got about 2 kilometers to go for ship.
All right.
Can we zoom in? No, it's right.
That looks like a sponge there.
Yeah, just a sponge. It's okay. Here she goes.
Someone was asking what type of rocks are covering the seafloor in this area. Oh, sorry. But these are polymetallic nodules.
Oh, see the tooth as we go over?
Yeah,
Great.
look, there
Let's
you
keep
go.
going. That's fine.
All right, strap in, everybody. We're coming up to point 3. Feel the
Sounds
G's.
good.
nicely. Away inverts.
Is that urchin? Possibly, probably.
Yeah,
Yeah.
got
Did not have any
got to
oxygen
kind
on
of
the
try
top.
and take a look, and you call it earlier. Let's just check these
Well,
two.
I was
two
waiting
things
to
that
see any dark spots on the top because that'll differentiate between sponge and urchin.
gotcha.
Because I don't know how much, I don't know about our position. I don't know how much time we have to stop and look at things. Especially for
So
going
we're at the
faster.
top, and that's arc.
Yeah.
So
Well,
we've got a bit of time.
okay.
Okay, zoom in there.
A little bryozoa.
Oh, little bryozoan.
And one
an
of your
urchin.
urchins, yeah. Oh, and a tooth in the background. Look at that. One of
Very
everything.
cool.
That
Good
one
trio.
looks broken, I think. You good with that?
Yep.
Thank you.
Someone agreed with you that that cusk definitely looked like it changed color. So
Yeah.
we'll have to look back at that video and check it out.
Yeah, I don't know if I imagined it, but it seemed more clear, and then it seemed to go dark. But it might have just
Zoom
been
in
the
there
angle.
real quick.
Yeah.
Look at that little stalk.
Look here.
Looks like something clinging to it.
Oh, that's cool. Look at that. It's got them.
Interesting.
Looks like a bit of thread.
Yeah, it does, doesn't it?
So I wonder if it's caught it and it's going to eat it or not.
Possibly. We have not seen a coral yet, have we?
No. No, I think it's quite telling, actually. We might have actually gone, that might be more telling about where the lysocline or the calcite compensation depth is.
Right.
Simple as that.
Well, a lot of these deep corals don't have calcite as their skeletons. They use chitin, which is a different material because of
That's
the acidity.
interesting.
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah, okay.
So the calcite composition depth probably wouldn't affect that as much.
That's
But
interesting.
yeah, perhaps depth does play a factor in it, though.
We can try and grab that quickly.
Yeah. Go ahead and zoom.
I never knew that. Chitin, huh?
Yep. That's why they don't create those like hard skeletons, and that's why they'll all dissolve in the end. Looks like a bryozoan to me.
Okay, we're good with that, thank you.
Yeah, and so that internal skeleton is black. So black corals.
Yeah, yeah, the black corals.
Yeah.
That's chitin, the black ones. Okay. Yeah, I have a couple that I found on the beach once.
That's cool.
Yeah. They can't be from such deep waters as this, but... oh, what's that on the right? We've got a chance to get that? I think it's a holothurian, is it?
Perhaps.
Okay, quick zoom there.
Looks
Yeah.
like it. Looks holothurian to me.
Yeah. Making his track, is he? Thank you.
Making his little tracks. Making my way downtown. Tracking through the abyssal plain. Eating dust.
I can see you starting to make up your own song. You should team up with Tonga.
Oh yeah?
She can sing it.
We'd be a power team.
Yeah. Let's just go over the top of that one. There's more of those stems you can see. They seem to be more common. Those brown
Yeah. Yeah, those
gummed
little
up
things.
ones.
That definitely looks like a sponge that we're passing over right
Yeah.
there.
Okay.
Vase-like sponge. I wonder if if I could ID that type. John, if you go to page 65 on your guide, that looks like that flat sponge we saw a while back ago. Yeah.
Have you got the...
That little book, yeah, right there.
Well, I'm glad it's turning out to be useful.
Oh, yeah.
Because it
Definitely.
was a bit of effort, because whilst it was published online, we reformatted it and did quite a bit of work to try and make it a bit more accessible. Oh, yes,
Right?
yes,
Yeah. And now I'm trying to find an example of those vase sponges that we've been seeing, because they're very smooth. You know, I'm thinking maybe, but I don't know.
Yeah, if anyone's listening, we're using a couple of catalogues on this cruise. The critical thing is just to record if we see something and get it roughly right, but if possible, it would be nice to get a more detailed description of what it could be.
Right.
One of the catalogues we're using is called the APSMA catalogue, which was developed based on a body of work done between the Clarion-Clipperton Zone and the waters of Kiribati through the National Oceanographic Centre of the United Kingdom. And one of the things we're really hoping to do with these high quality images is update this catalogue for the Cook Islands, find out what morpho species seem similar. Yeah, let's go over here on the left, on the port side, if that's okay.
Okay. Okay.
And we've already found at least one or two things that aren't in the catalogue at all, so we'll have to look further afield to see if they're unique to the Cook Islands or maybe something that's cosmopolitan, but that wasn't picked up as part of that earlier work. And that's not something that's probably going to happen very quickly, but it's great to get the footage and the data and take the step forward on this cruise.
Yeah, I agree. Looks like...
Oh.
Strange to me.
Yeah, the stem is weird, isn't it?
Sponge though.
Yeah.
Interesting little sponge.
When you've got that, can we zoom in on that? That is a bit... I guess it's a cast, but it looks a little irregular.
That little stem?
Yeah, you can see it's curves.
Oh, I see what you're talking about.
Yeah.
Looks like tiny casts.
I think it
From a
casts
baby
that.
holothurian.
Whoa.
Whoa.
And right
Yeah,
next to
could
it,
be.
you see another little stem with a creature growing
Okay.
off of it.
Thank you.
Yeah, it looks like that little strange sponge we saw looks like a Corbitella.
Okay.
Maybe. I don't know, actually.
Do you want to zoom on this one, John?
Oh, I took the words right out of my mouth, Tim.
Okay, go for zoom.
Urchin.
Yeah, you have an affinity for those, Tim. Thank you.
There's another song to add to the playlist. Guns N' Roses, Welcome to the Jungle. Sounds just the urchin living under the streets.
Welcome to the jungle.
A bryozoa there. Let's go straight over the top, that's fine.
Okay. Not sure if that's actually the word he says, but
Yeah. Shall we swing port slightly? Let's see if there's anything to this little fellow.
okay, zoom there quickly.
Oh
Looks like
yeah.
holothurian.
Yeah, it's one of those big with their legs. Look at that, their back. Yeah, if you can capture that one, that'll be great, because we haven't seen them for a while.
And moving on.
Looks like one of those little urchins there,
Yeah, and then was it a stalked crinoid or something above it?
possibly.
There it goes. It's kind of a shame I can't just touch. You can't just touch the screen on the point and say
Yeah.
blah. Yeah.
We could probably do that if we had a DVL and
Yeah.
a few more sensors on board. INS.
Yeah.
It's
Maybe
a
one day.
Doppler velocity log for anyone listening, and a inertial navigation system. All these acronyms I know are a bit confusing. Is that anything?
What?
Center
Oh,
there.
yeah. Why
Oh
not?
yeah, let's
We've
zoom in
got
on
time.
that.
Let's
Go ahead and
in.
zoom.
Probably. Looks like
Little
there's some
growth in
things
the
attached
distance
to that.
there as well, upper right.
Oh, I
See
see
that
that
little,
Yeah,
too.
yeah.
little one?
We'd like
Maybe
to
that
look at
is a
that.
coral.
Yeah, we haven't seen one of those for a while, but
Could
let's
we
just grab a
possibly
good
zoom
picture of
into
this
that?
one on the lower frame, because it's got a couple of animals on it.
Yeah.
Yeah, you've got the time. Can we zoom in a bit more on that?
Oh,
And snap it.
Ah, yeah, it looks like a little crinoid perched on there.
Yeah. Okay, thank you very much. That'll have to do. And let's go to that one. That could be a coral. Just up here. There it is.
Yeah. Yeah, it looks like a coral to me.
If we could really, what's it? Double it up for that one?
Yeah.
Thank you.
Beautiful. Yeah.
Great.
Cool.
Awesome. Thank
First coral for a while.
And zoom out.
you. Yeah, so Eva must already be on her way to South Korea. I think she had to hop on a
Oh, really?
plane as soon as she got off. Yeah, she's actually running a little late for her course.
Safe flight forever.
We are screaming over the abyssal plains at 0.3 knots.
Yeah, it's uncomfortably quick. It's amazing how you get
The
used to
Audubon.
0.2. I remember wanting to do 0.5 originally.
I think 0.5, I'd feel a bit sick.
I think
Going
you
to
can do
hyperspeed.
You can do pipelines at 0.5. I don't know about biology.
Yeah.
Want to zoom on in either of these?
No, let's keep going. If anything, that little
Those are
brown
little
one.
urchins,
Yeah,
most likely.
that's the one that's more mysterious.
Looks like another little browser.
Go ahead and zoom.
We'll go for that one at the back or the one on the left. Nope. Let's just grab that
Oh,
first.
is that the one you meant?
I think
No.
so. Yeah, I think it's. That looks like.
Yeah, again, a little sediment
What
wrapped.
are those? Yeah.
Oh,
Logators, we don't know. Okay, let's zoom back out. Did you want to go for this one, Sandy?
the little
Here,
browser.
or did you want to go for that stemmed one?
Let's go to the stemmed one.
Yeah. Please.
Please.
Oh, we've got
thank
a bit.
you.
We've got a bit of time actually. And then we'll go to the one on the right as well, okay? Because that might be another coral if we're
All
fortunate.
right.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah,
Okay,
true.
go ahead and
So
zoom.
We'll do him.
Beautiful.
Okay, thank you very much. Got that. And
To the
this little puppy.
right stalk.
I don't know if you can call them puppies, can you?
They could be puppies.
And zoom again.
Oh no. You going to zoom right in on that one? Yeah, let's double that one, please. Let's see if we can get the head of it.
looks like a little 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Looks crinoid to me.
And
Okay.
zoom out.
I think we're done. Yep.
Thank you.
Yeah, we can jump over that. That's fine.
Yeah.
Cool. Let's just fast zoom on that, please. And then there's something on the left I'd like to
Looks
look
like
at.
a holothurian.
Yeah, probably all that is.
Go ahead and zoom.
Yep, check. Okay, if you could zoom back out
Thank you.
and turn port. Port side, please. And a bit more. Oh, we might have lost it. Okay, no problem. Okay, if you get a chance, could we zoom in on that? Oh, we've gone over the top. Can we come back and look at that?
Go ahead and zoom.
Interesting.
That is funky.
Looks
I
like
don't know
something
what that
dead.
is. Yeah.
Something decaying, maybe?
I wish we could sample that. I would love to know what those
All right.
little, like,
And
filamentous
zoom wide.
Yep.
Thanks.
I
attachments.
just had
in
an
the section
idea,
around
actually.
it. What? Looks like fungus to me.
The core of some of the nodules is a brown thing we've never been able to identify.
Yeah?
Well, I haven't really tried that hard, but I always assumed it was a bit of clay, but it looked different,
Yeah?
like broken down. I was wondering if that's the sort of stuff that,
Maybe.
yeah.
We'd have
get
to
a
do
little
some
bit
more
of
research
tether
to
out.
find out.
Yep.
Where are we? Yeah,
Looks
if we
like-
could look at this, please.
Looks like one
Just
of
off
those
to the right,
fallen-
Tim.
Yeah,
That's okay.
Things are all getting busy suddenly, hey? The moment you went to 0.3 knots, you were right.
Speed running
Yeah.
abyssal planet exploration.
Yes. And
Just a
go
quick
ahead
zoom.
and zoom.
Yeah, just a quick one for that.
Oh,
Yeah.
not quite stable yet.
Huh, looks like a brittle star.
Yep, happy to move on. Thank you. Cool.
What's up, fam?
Hey, welcome back, Maddie. We
Thanks.
missed you.
We
You
saw
guys-
the most amazing thing.
I
Saw a
thought
giant
you
squid.
would. I thought you would.
Yeah, a little coral, about
You-
the size of a matchstick.
Yeah, true.
Oh. That's still exciting.
It's very exciting.
It's something.
First coral we've seen all dive.
Oh, and we saw about 400 million more nodules.
Yeah?
Yeah,
Whoa.
And we saw a ghost morphotype of
there's
a
one of those sea
contiued.
urchins that's just gone over it.
I think it's, you
Yeah.
guys are
Oh, yeah.
downplaying how
Nope.
cool your day was. Or your day. The last 30
Our day,
minutes.
our day. Yeah, actually, that ghost form was very
Yeah,
cool.
it was cool. Yeah, I kind of like to downplay my excitement on
Yeah.
things, you know.
Yeah, you're
Don't-
you're not an enthusiastic
No.
person at all.
No, definitely not.
We love that about you, by the way.
Sure.
I do. You bring joy to my watch.
You bring joy to my watch, Maddie.
Oh.
So does Dave whenever he's piloting. Rest in peace, Dave.
What?
Sleeping.
Oh,
Rest-
gosh. Wait. I missed that in the sit rep.
Dark all of a sudden.
Dave, no.
I liked him too, though.
All right. Yeah, let's pass over that white blob slightly to port.
Okay. I
And
think that was a music reference Sandy made there.
Oh yeah,
Yeah.
I missed it.
That little, it's probably a little
there's a
urchin.
sponge, I think, eh?
Sponge?
It's got the black things on the
Do you
top.
want to
Yep.
give
Yeah,
quick,
yeah,
quick zoom there?
sponge.
No, it's all, oh, well,
Nope.
if
Yeah,
you wish,
perfect.
but
Oh,
we've
that's
got it.
good.
We've got it. And the one behind it, though, what's
Okay.
that?
Ooh, one behind it, the variable.
And then the one behind the one behind. It's another one. It's a very egalitarian part of the seabed. Yep, okay, we got that one too. It's going to be one of those little sea
Very
urchins.
ovoid, and a baby coral.
And, oh, look at that. Sorry, can we look at that, please?
Oh, which
Oh,
one?
it's a little
That
cup.
one there.
Right,
The
about
the one I'm
shell,
going mad
shell-looking
on.
thing.
Yeah. Let's just check that out. And there's a is that a holothurian up behind it as
Oh,
well?
Yes.
pretty.
Let's see if we can get that little shell. That's unusual, if that's what it is.
And
Looks like a asocarp mushroom.
Well, that must be, if that's what it looks
Or
like, that's what it
landseer.
is, eh? Down on the seabed.
Yeah, of course. Not sure what that is.
I don't know what that is. Looks like a bit of eggshell.
Right. It's a little,
I think we'll just log it as something mysterious and move on. Thank you.
okay. Something mysterious.
You've always got to have the other category or the
Strange cup shape.
I don't know it.
Egg? Question mark.
Actually, that's all right. I'll come back to it. Could we go and do that stem on the starboard side, please?
Oh, I see that. Looks different. Or at least something's growing on there.
Yeah. Just a quick zoom at this stage. Yeah, looks like it's just a couple
Maybe a
of little,
crinoid?
yeah, there's a couple of little, there's a gastropods or something hanging on, not hanging off it, or
Zoom
amphipods
away.
hanging off it.
Interesting.
Cheeky hitchhikers.
Maybe we
Oh,
could get
do
a
you
closer.
do you want to go close up?
Yeah,
Yep. Can we
especially
go
those
for
things on
a
the stalk.
close up zoom, please, on those things on the stalk?
okay.
Very pretty.
Oh, there they go. Amphipod away.
Sure.
Okay, I think we know what they are. That
Oh,
second one
look at
is
the
clinging to
close-up.
something else, isn't it? He doesn't want to let go. All right. I think we're okay, thank you.
Wonderful.
Makes you wonder how they find those things in the dark. I wonder if they
You
just swim
know?
around till they hit one and go and grip it.
I have thought about that before.
Yeah.
I've always wondered that. Again, how we were talking, either luck or it's chemical tracings in the water or something.
I don't see how it benefits the crinoid
Crinoid?
though.
Well, we may not understand how it benefits the crinoid.
Or maybe one gets on there and sends a
Maybe.
signal to his mates.
Maybe, yeah. Isopods could also discharge their waste in the water, and maybe the crinoids will pick that up and
Yep.
recycle the nutrients as a little symbiotic moment. Yeah, I don't know. There's a lot of ecosystemic questions like the
Yeah.
energy movement that I don't really understand, but would love to know more. If anybody knows in the chat, let me know.
Just coming back. Oh. Coming off the seabed by mistake there.
We're soaring. Looks like on the left it could be one of those
Yep.
little urchins.
You want to
maybe
check it,
a
or
little sponge.
there's nothing else to look at, and we're way ahead,
If
so
we just fly like close down over the top, I could probably
definitely
tell.
got the time while we're waiting to get caught up.
Okay, go for zoom.
Yep,
Looks decidedly urchin to me.
definitely. It's quite urchin-esque. Thank you.
I really would love to know what species these urchins are.
Well, they're a common one, I know that.
Very common. I
Yeah.
thought for a while we had a picture of it. Let me tell you what page
The
it's
other
on.
place to get data from that's not in this atlas is from the Western Pacific. There's a
True.
company called Beijing High-Tech Pioneer who have a ISA contract. And the thing about their area is very similar to this one in terms of oceanic conditions. And Tonga's hoping to work with them. So it'd be great to exchange information. All their data has gone into the public domain. It's gone into ISA deep data. But it's one thing to submit information, and it's another one to synthesize it. But
Right.
okay.
Data logger, that's the vehicle's passing waypoint 8 right about
Yep.
now.
Cool.
Yeah, for a while I thought like page 204, those hollow asteroid
Let's
ones.
go check that stem.
But after seeing so many of them, I'm not sure anymore. They're not as dark.
Oh, yeah.
And then I also thought it was page 200, but they don't have that little drop on the top,
Oh, yeah.
you see?
Yeah, no.
Right.
If anything, the one on 200 maybe. But,
Maybe, right?
Yeah. Not.
Looks like we're approaching another carnivorous sponge.
Yeah.
Do
See
a
if
quick
we can
zoom if you
get
like.
that. Yeah,
Please.
please. Oh, that's pretty interesting, actually.
Yeah, have we seen one with that kind of
No, that
hairdo on
little
the top?
collar on the top.
It definitely looks like a troll hairdo, you're right.
I don't know what the technical term is, a comb or a
Ah,
funnel?
interesting, isn't it?
Looks
Wow.
like a wing. That's
Let's
cool.
see if we can get a good photo of that one, please.
Yeah,
Yeah, I don't recall seeing
And
something like that.
Go
very
wide.
neat.
That looks
Go
like a
wide,
butterfly wing.
please.
Let's see. Maybe. Yeah, definitely cladorhizidae.
Just get out ahead again here.
Sure.
Yeah, we could pass over that sponge, that'd be great.
Yeah, that'd be wonderful. Cool. Very wide opening. Another one of the same type over to the left.
Oh, we have to do that one on the right. So let's just check that, but then let's definitely go
Oh, yeah,
to
that
that
looks
puppy.
like a ping pong.
Yeah.
Do you want to zoom here, or do you want to go over to the one on the right?
Can we do both?
Yep, zoom quick.
Yep.
Nice.
Sweet. No, that's good.
Okay.
Thank you.
Yeah, look at the
Go
bottom of that sponge though, Sandy. Doesn't
Yeah.
it look like those?
It
Yeah.
does.
And
It
go
does.
wide,
Spicules,
please.
yeah.
And go for the ping pong.
It's definitely something relating to the sediment. Maybe these sponges have some sort of sticky aspect. I don't know.
And go for zoom. I'll keep moving.
I really have no idea.
Ping pong sponge.
Maybe
Oh.
not.
Maybe. Oh, it looks like a bunch of little isopods on there. I wonder
Yeah.
if
It looks like a Christmas tree all decorated, doesn't it?
does.
I never knew
Yeah.
they grew on trees. There's a proof.
And wide, please.
Thank
Cool.
you for that.
Thanks, Tim.
Thanks, Jaina.
Thanks, Jaina.
She's
Thanks,
chuckling
Josh.
over there.
You're welcome.
Todd, when we were sitting down on the social deck after watch this morning, he goes, "Gosh, that was just such a supportive, kind watch." Yes, we say please and thank you.
Yeah.
House rules.
Yeah. We need a nice environment in the control van.
I think we can go straight over
Possibly
these.
urchin.
Yep.
Yeah, possibly
Yeah.
urchin on the right, possibly sponge on the left.
Yeah, I'd just do it like that. We'll keep an eye out for a hole on the top on the one on the left.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I see him.
Yep. Yep.
Cool.
Oh, we're looking. Okay. We can swing port. Go from sponge to sponge to sponge.
Maybe
for
that's how those
sponge.
little isopods you go for sponge. travel. They go from little sponge to sponge to sponge, just hopping on
Oh.
different little creatures.
It's kind of
And
like
then
their
they
little
find what they like.
hotel. Yeah.
Yeah.
They're all on a road trip along
Sponge
the Nod.
motel.
Sponge motel.
Check in at the
It
sponge
wouldn't be
motel.
Airbnb, I guess it'd be
Hotel
CBNB.
sponge.
Yeah.
CBNB. They're on their
Oh.
nodule highway.
Welcome to
go
the
for a zoom
hotel.
there.
Porifera. It's a lovely place.
Oh, lovely. It's got that those thick. It's amazing how they lie down.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Is that a sponge too?
You know what? That's actually fallen over. See, it's pulled
Yeah.
the nodule
That is
over.
really
Can we get
cool.
a nice pic of that?
Yeah.
There's one of the reasons why nodules get turned over. It's
Ah, there
All
you go.
because
a
of the
big-headed sponge like that. We've caught it in action.
Wow, big-headed sponge is kind of
Yeah.
rude.
Have you got that? That's one I want. I would like a copy of that, please.
I took a bunch of pictures.
Thank you.
What an audacious sponge. Can you
Do you know what you've
imagine?
done? That thing has probably been stable for 500,000 years until you did that to it.
Select sponge pulled.
That was great. I'm happy to see that.
Nodules.
I've never seen one caught in the act like that before.
Yeah, I feel like we've solved a couple of our mysteries so far.
True.
Actually, a lot. We started with the holothurian trail,
Yeah, true.
spicules,
Yeah.
the overturned nodules.
But yet we keep getting more questions.
yeah,
Like I feel like I just have more questions now.
I
I
have a
need
que-
to sample those filamentous things. I need to
Mm.
know more about the sponges. I need to know how the isopods and little crustaceans travel and decide where they want to settle. I want to know about the nutrient cycling of crinoids and their associated organisms.
Well, I've got good news for you. When you get home, go back to your university, go and say hello to Mark Luther, and tell him what a fun time you had here.
I will.
Because we've been in touch with them for
yeah?
a few years. Yeah, yeah.
Aw.
USF, absolutely.
Mark Luther, if you're watching, I'm coming for you. Looks like
He's not an
maybe
easy
one of
man
those
to scare, so don't worry.
He's a professor in College of Marine Science.
Yeah.
Well, Mark, you should, or Matt, you should introduce him to me.
Yeah,
Don't know why I
absolutely.
called you
Happy to
Mark.
do so. He's, a co-PI at the center, so
Yep.
well acquainted.
Sweet.
Okay, quick zoom on that one,
Yeah,
John.
another little
Yes,
urchin, I
please.
think.
It's one of your regulars, mate.
Aw,
Yep, thank you. I guess a 3 out of 3, is it?
urchin. Actually, that one had one of those little points on here.
Oh, did you
It
think
looked
so?
like, yeah, it looked like that was on the
Oh,
side.
maybe that's what it is. It's pretty
Maybe.
common, isn't it?
Yeah.
This one says flattened, ovoid and laterally flattened.
Laterally flattened.
Yeah, that great
Maybe they're
test.
squat. Maybe they're squat and we're just not looking at all the angles.
Yeah, I don't know, these photos maybe aren't.
Not sure.
Our little holothurian going under us now.
Amanda's typing in the chat. I wonder what she's going to say. She's like, Sandy, you're wrong. Stop giving false information.
Yeah, I know.
No,
lots
she
of
just
those.
said lots of them on the
Yeah.
seafloor.
White
Yeah,
ball
there
urchins,
are.
that's what they're called. Tim, I wish we could name them if they knew. We'd put your
Tim's
name.
urchin.
Yeah, we'd put your name into it with a bit of Latin around it.
Urchin.
What? Yeah, what would it sound like?
Timchin.
Timalopolis? I'm saying that because I'm looking at Amanda's last name.
You know that's not Latin. You know the difference between Latin and Greek, don't you?
Yeah.
I
They
just meant
teach you that
full
in
Greek.
journalism school. I'm
Yeah.
not offended at all.
Don't be offended. You could call it urchin bitch. For my last name. That's with
Tim,
a
what's your
B.
last
That's
name?
with a B.
Okay. So, wait a second. I'm not sure that's appropriate for SBO, Maddie.
Sorry, I needed to pronunciate the V. Tim's last name is Bowman, right?
What?
Yes.
Yeah.
Bullman.
Amanda's also checking your pronunciation, I see in the chat.
Sorry, Amanda, keep her in check.
Somebody's got to. Okay, speaking of keeping in check, we have a question from the chat.
Oh, hey, chat.
Thanks, chat, for keeping us in check and accountable. We have a question. Could these sponges be of certain species transforming in shape and evolving due to the conditions of these depths?
There's definitely a wide variety of morphologies and different ways that the sponges grow. It's actually another really cool question. I don't know why they have different shapes. I don't know if it's advantageous, if there's a reason why they grow differently, if it's to catch the water in different, like, ways. You know, because sometimes you'll change how much, like, the surface area. You know, lots of creatures will do that to widen the space that they can catch. Like the cladorhizidae sponges have those like parasol shapes, so they have a better chance of catching little crustaceans and things to pull them in. But as far as the different like ruffles and, you know, round ones and squat ones go, I really have no idea.
Yeah, why would it be advantageous to be flat?
Versus round, versus on
or like higher in the water column, like
yeah.
stalked. Yeah.
Why do we have different types of stalks that are long and droopy or thick and straight up?
It's just evolution trying different things, I guess.
Yeah.
Throwing spaghetti on the wall to see what sticks?
I wouldn't overthink the evolution of something that's no brain.
And if sponges...
Can we go over that? Sorry, I know it's a bit hard to starboard.
If sponges reproduce by budding, maybe it's like slowly they just grow in a certain way and differentiate.
Quick zoom there.
Thank you. And it's one of our favourite holothurians.
Seapig.
Thank you.
Seapig.
They're good.
I haven't seen one for a minute. And we know that...
They came back. They were gone for a while.
Oh, there's a little jelly or something there in the water column.
Yeah.
Little Mendozoid guy.
And we know that organisms down here are white because we don't have sunlight that reaches these depths, right? So there's
too
no
much
real
energy to make
advantage.
color, yeah.
Too much work to be pigmented.
Yep.
But then we do have the pink and the red holothurians that we've seen.
That can be advantageous.
Why is that advantageous?
Red and like the reddish colors will not reflect the blue and green light of bioluminescence as easily, and it's also harder to see red things in the deep sea because it's sort of like an invisible color. So if you're a creature that likes to eat holothurians and you have a little light, maybe you have a lesser chance of spotting it if you're moving quickly on the seafloor.
What eats a holothurian?
That's a good question.
In the deep ocean?
I don't know. Probably something bigger than holothurian.
Yeah, you'd think.
Yeah, I know some people like eating holothurians.
Something
I guess
off to the right there, Tim.
Yeah, I
some
think,
rat-tail fish and cuscales. Or certainly rat-tail fish might not have a problem chewing them.
Oh, sure, yeah.
They can't stand around waiting for whale falls the whole time. They'd have to have some regular food. And we have seen them eating amphipods.
We have, okay.
And the cuscales, yeah.
Different fish would eat holothurians.
And they can't eat sponges because sponges are made of glass down here.
Maybe there's glass-eating fish. I don't know. I
There
don't know
are
what
coral-eating fish, right?
there are coral-eating
go for zoom there.
parrotfish.
Yeah,
They eat
thank
coral.
you.
Pretty cool sponge. Let's see.
Yep, thank you. I think we're good.
Sponge.
Okay. And, oh yes, let's go for him, please.
Oh, a little
Candelabra.
candelabra.
And zoom again.
Let's
Another
see
one
if we
of
can maybe zoom in a little closer with a focus on the tips of it.
Good.
That'd be great.
Oh,
There's something on its center
Yeah.
prong there too.
We're running short on time.
Cool. Excellent, excellent,
Okay,
excellent.
go
Okay.
wide,
Need to pick up
please.
and move.
Cool. And on the left-hand side, on the port swimmer.
I'll just scoot over top of him if you
Yeah,
don't mind.
that little candelabra. Oh, look.
Coming towards you on the port.
Swimmer. Looks like a
Swimmer.
fish.
Mm-hmm.
Let's try and...
Yep. I wonder if
Zoom
it's
in
the
on
same
the
one as
head.
last time. It looks
Maybe.
the same.
Oh.
There you-
Oh, it did
Okay,
have a
thank
sort
you.
of dark head area.
Yeah, it wasn't that interesting that we saw 3 cuscules kind of back to back to back and then none on this dive. Have we?
We've
Oh,
seen-
oh, the
we've seen a
faceless, I
few.
mean.
Oh, the faceless
Yeah.
one? Yeah, I haven't seen any more of those. But we have seen quite a few of this type of looking fish.
Okay.
We can descend it a little bit more.
You got it.
I think we're probably too late, are we, to look at that?
Okay, let's zoom on that.
That's,
Cool.
yeah, it's
Looks spongy.
spongy, but look at the stem.
Right.
It's like
Again,
it's
that
being
little...
slimed. It's
It's the slow slime.
coming up from beneath,
The
eh?
slime effect.
Yeah, I reckon.
Oh, nice.
Must be an occupational hazard living down here.
Yeah, no
I
Thank
guess
you.
So.
That's great.
Thank you. So then maybe some of the creatures clean the sediment off. I don't know.
Oh, I wonder if that's why there's a
Maybe.
benefit of having a...
Right, like cleaner shrimp will
yeah.
clean. I
Totally.
have no idea. Another question unanswered.
And I wonder if that sediment that builds on them, if that kills them over time. And that's why we're just seeing
Maybe.
those little slumps
It like
of piles.
clogs up all their little
Yeah.
pores. Would be cool to see.
What's the question? I think that's a holothurian. Let's just swing past it. We don't need to go over it.
Yeah, it looks like that to me.
Yeah, I think we're good. Thank you.
Yeah, Amanda
And
agrees.
another one of the sea urchins. Yeah,
That
that's
the
great. And another sea
candelabra.
urchin.
Oh my gosh.
My gosh, there's like 100 of them. Not
Good
that I'm
place to be a
exaggerating
sea
at all.
urchin. No.
Jelly in the
So,
water.
Yeah. Okay, if we could swing to port. It's dragging you back and forth.
Awesome.
And go for zoom.
Another sponge.
Yeah, I think we've seen that form before, haven't
Yeah,
we?
we
I
have.
don't know how you
Looks
describe
brainy.
it. Baroque or something. Thank you.
Yeah. Sponge. See if I can find a example of that. Yeah, maybe Faraday? Huh, not sure.
Oh, yep, another one of those candelabras.
Ah, yep.
I think we can just go over
yeah,
it,
we
that's
can pass
fine.
by. Something in the water.
Yeah, a
Swimming.
little amphipod or something. Yeah, I'll let him go. Or was that a
Polychaete?
polychaete? Yeah.
Oh, what a beautiful little guy. That's beautiful visual of it.
Yeah, isn't that
Wow.
cool?
Looks glittery.
Ooh. Slither away, my friend.
Should we go while we're waiting? Go check that one?
Sure. Can you circle it again?
Yeah. Oops, there.
There, yeah.
Looks like an urchin all the way to the left there.
Yeah.
Can you zoom?
Yeah, it's completely slimed, eh? Thank you. Must be a thing.
Slimed.
Yeah.
I would
Oh,
love
what's
to know.
that?
Where?
Over here. Have we got time? Yeah, we've got time.
Yep.
On the right here. On the end of the, is that a tiny, tiny sponge, is it?
Maybe it's a tiny little jelly. You'd have to see.
Can double it if you like.
So just to give you an idea, 2/3 of one of those nodules is the limit of megafauna, so we're well into macrofauna scale now.
Looks probably like a baby sponge to me.
Yeah.
Okay.
You see the little
Go
pores
wide,
on it.
please.
Cool. Thanks, Tim.
What are our 3 categories, John? Micro, macro, and megafauna?
There's 4.
4?
Micro, which is bacteria and archaea. Myo, which is, I guess 30 up to 32 microns, I think it is, and then from 32 to 0.5 millimeter is what's called myofauna. They're often very useful size class because there's usually lots of those.
Yeah.
We'll never see them really, 0.5 millimeter.
Baby epiphytes and stuff like that.
And then macrofauna is 0.5 millimeter to the 2 centimeters. So, and the reason they have the 4 categories traditionally is there's 4 different ways to study them. So you use imagery like this for megafauna, use box cores or large sampling devices for macrofauna, and you're always struggling to get enough sample. And the myofauna, a standard multi-core or piston core, will get you in many
There's
places
a fish down on the bottom.
hundreds of species, hundreds of examples. But this camera is kind of bending it a bit because it goes much finer than 2 centimeters. But of course, when you're scanning along at the high altitude, you know, driving along, you're not going to see anything much smaller than a nodule, which is 3 centimeters. Yeah.
Pretty chunky one.
You can, zoom in. We haven't seen that form for a while.
Go ahead and zoom.
That is a chunky holothurian.
Chunky guy.
And prickly,
Ooh.
too.
Yeah, I think we saw them before, that one.
Yeah, I feel like we
They're
did.
back.
Looks like those, you know those little toys that are like
The
squishy?
squishy?
Yeah, and they have
Yes.
little spines
That's great,
on
thank
them.
you so much.
Oh,
Thank
look,
you for
it's
that.
lifting up.
I shall call it
You
squishy.
work it.
I believe I can fly.
I think it knew we were watching it.
Oh
Just
my
putting on a
goodness.
show, just
Yeah,
for us.
showing
Let's just
off.
go and check that.
I was
So
just
we've got a
looking at
minute.
that.
Okay, go ahead and zoom.
What
Huh.
on earth?
Oh,
Don't know what that is.
Odd
Is that
shape, isn't it?
It's panned by God.
Weird.
Weird.
It's like a holothurian that got deflated.
Oh, yeah. It looks like it. Oh. It definitely is hollow. Maybe it's a worm.
It's a holothurian.
Okay, go wide, please.
I think
Yeah.
that might be an acorn worm. So different
acorn
critter.
worm.
Oh, thanks. Yeah,
Cool,
we did
Amanda.
see an acorn worm swimming. Was that the one we saw
I
earlier?
don't know if
Or
that was
arrow
acorn
worm?
worm.
Yeah.
I don't know. But we did see something.
Something strange. It looked like a fish worm combination.
Because you're right, the tail did look exactly like the chaetognath, but it swam like a fish.
Yeah, there was a swimming worm that we saw earlier, which is a swimmer. It's a type of polychaete.
Oh no, we did see that one. This one I think was last
Last night,
yeah.
or midnight to 4, yeah.
Yeah, we took a bunch of still captures of it, but it had two little dots on the fin, shaped like kind of like a lobster tail, and then two little eyes low on its head, and it was, you know, swimming around, undulating pattern, but
We'll have to take a look at the grabs. Yeah, that's
Yeah.
awesome.
very interesting.
But it was fish-shaped except for its tail.
Yeah, exactly, which was
It
odd.
was parallel, like a
Like a
lobster
mammal.
tail.
Yeah,
like
right.
yeah, like it totally.
So mysterious. Trust in Amanda though, she'll find out. Look at there on that left, a little
Yeah.
star creature.
Yep.
Probably brittle star.
Let's grab that. I think we're in a good position now.
I love it when the lounge or the data lab comes on SPL and
Me
you're like, wait a
too.
minute. Hello.
You're not allowed on
Voice
here.
from below.
Yeah, we're not alone up here. Somebody cares about us.
Sounds like
Amanda's
you're in
watching
the room
over
with
us.
us, Amanda.
We have a question from the chat. Why do you have little time, maybe for the ROV team up front, why do you have little time to stop and examine, view the things that we're coming across? Why are we going at the speed, and what's preventing us from spending more time in one spot?
We'll kick that to Doctor Who.
Yeah,
Who?
we are,
Oh,
we
yeah.
are rocketing along at 0.3 of a knot. And life comes at you fast when you're close to the seafloor. So, but we are not going that fast, but we do have quite a bit of tether out. So we've got, let's see, a scant 5,072 meters of tether between our boat up here at the surface and the vehicles behind us. And the vehicles are about 250 meters behind us at the moment, now that we've accelerated. So there's
We can come down
a lot of lag in the system, essentially. And when you are flying that far apart, there are basically no brakes. You just have to fly with a bit of slack in the line between Atalanta and Little Herc. And when we see something, react quickly, pause, get a good shot on it through the kind of combined skills of the pilots and the video engineers, and then on to the next. Otherwise, if we sit and linger
Sit
too
that way,
long, we
please.
will just not cover the amount of ground that we are spec'd to cover on this dive.
That's right. So our dive is expected to be around 36 hours. What is our total length?
We are aiming for 10
Go ahead and
kilometers.
zoom.
Yeah, I think we can keep
And
going. Oh, sorry. Sorry. Zoom it.
Okay,
I timed it
that's good.
badly. Yeah.
Zoom out.
We've
Yeah.
got about a kilometer and a half to go, and about 4 hours to do it.
I believe in us.
That's right, because it was, what was it, about 4 or 5 hours descent, so it'll be pretty similar on the ascent.
Yep. So goal is to be back on deck and recover the vehicles right around midnight local time. So that's 9 hours for us, and 5 of that will be spent on the ascent.
So get your bottom time in now.
Exactly. So that's why we sped up a little bit. Also, at the time when we did kick it up from 0.2 to 0.3, that we weren't seeing as much abundance at that point in time, so it seemed like a reasonable decision. Slash a taunt to the fates to give us a little more to look at.
Yeah.
At least partially been successful.
I agree.
I
There's
agree.
some pretty cool things.
Yeah, all of a
lately.
sudden it was like, whoa, there's a lot of things down here.
You can certainly tell the difference between 0.2 and 0.3 if not. Things do come a little bit quicker, actually.
Absolutely.
Yeah, I've missed a couple of things now. I keep waiting to be sure that I'm happy with what I'm looking at, and they're gone. Let's just look at this while we're doing that.
Yeah, see that good?
Okay, go ahead and zoom.
Matt, do you like Doctor Who? Do you watch that show?
I am not a religious watcher of Doctor Who, but I know a friend of mine back home, also named Tim, is a Doctor Who super fan. He is also a professor at the college.
Great, thank you.
Chemical oceanography, and hails from England originally.
Oh, that's pretty cool. Makes sense then. Just curious.
So we have about 4 hours left on the seafloor, and someone wants to know, is there anything that you really hope to see? It could be on this dive or another dive, but I'm going to stick with this dive. I loved that hydroid that we saw.
Oh, that was
I
so
would
beautiful.
love to see another one. I thought that was
too.
so cool.
Me too.
I'd also love to see another Medusa jelly. That was really, really fun too. Those were my 2 highlights from this dive,
Yeah.
personally.
Same.
What about
Same.
you, John? You want to see nodules?
Yep, you've
I
got
don't know
it.
if you've
I wanted
seen
to
any
see
lately.
a sea of nodules, and I think I am more than satisfied. Yeah, it's incredible. I'm still amazed.
Are you?
How many there are? Yeah.
Yeah. Mikhail, is there anything that you're really hoping to see, aside from your camera, that is?
For me, I think it would be an octopus.
Yeah?
Yeah. I don't know if we saw any other ones since
Not
the
on
very
this
first one.
dive,
So-
yeah.
Yeah, we
so
haven't.
Pretty rare.
Yeah.
Can we zoom in on these?
And yet we know they're down there somewhere. Just waiting, just hiding from us.
Just 30 meters to the port side.
Yeah.
Well, maybe they are a bit shy and run.
I mean, they're
Go for
definitely
zoom.
smart.
Yes, please.
I mean, I'd probably avoid a UFO landing.
Oh, those green ones, eh?
Little bryozoan, dude. I would not avoid a UFO landing.
You
Or is
wouldn't?
it
No way.
It's
I'd
not
go
the
straight to
crinoid,
it.
is it? Because it's 5. What do you call
Looks like a crinoid. Looks like that similar one.
it?
we've
Yeah,
seen
it's
before.
5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah.
And
Thank
I
you.
remember someone gave us Sako gave us a ID for that. No, if I saw a UFO land, I would beeline to
What?
the scene of action.
To the UFO.
Oh yeah.
I'd probably let you do that,
The
and
time
I'd
for that one?
watch what would
Yeah,
happen.
we're way ahead. Let's jump in and look at these little holothurian.
Yeah, I might have missed that one.
Okay, don't worry about it. Let's go for the next one. Let's go for that sponge.
Okay, quick zoom there.
Oh no. It's,
Little urchin.
yeah, great. Can we drift to the left? Have that zoom. Slowly. That's it. What's that one there?
Another urchin.
Another one. Okay.
Wow.
I don't know what
Gosh,
a
there are just so many on this.
I don't know what a collective of urchins are called.
Oh, I wonder if Google knows.
A ubiquity.
I was trying to make another pun with my last name, and then it just isn't gonna. It's not gonna fly. Oh, okay. There is an answer though. It's called a herd.
A herd of
Herd of
urchins.
urchins.
Quick
I've
zoom there.
never heard of that. Okay, let's get on.
Oh boy.
Sorry, I was sad. I didn't even want to say that. I just had to.
You can also a less common collective
Oh, wow.
noun
That's a
And
populist.
go wide,
Wow.
please.
Okay.
is an obstinacy.
An
Wait,
obstinacy. The
obstinacy.
obstinate
Of
urchin
urchins.
herds in an obstinacy.
Is that because when you step on one, you can't get the spines out of your feet?
That's right.
That a stalk crinoid is probably a hyocrinidae.
Cool.
Thanks to Asako for that ID.
Yeah, if we could drop down a little bit again. Must be that high speed, huh? Pulling everything up.
Yeah. So for reference, the high speed, and since we love to do things in American football fields, we are moving at the equivalent of taking about 10 minutes to walk the length of an American football field.
Wow,
So
that's pretty fast.
Pretty stately pace.
Yeah.
Stately.
Go for zoom.
So an urchin and then another one of these
little
guys.
crinoid.
Yeah, okay, we're good, thank you.
Beautiful.
Something right behind
Oh, what's
it.
that behind
Yeah.
it? Sorry,
Yeah,
can
I
we
wonder what that was.
look at that one too for bonus points?
A little tiny holothurian, maybe?
It's hard to tell.
Yeah.
He's jammed
Looks
in
like
there,
that
isn't
same
he?
intestinal tract
Yeah,
as
yeah,
a
okay,
typical
thank you.
holothurian.
Yeah, they're definitely jammed in.
Make a 10-yard dash here. Get up front again.
Okay, we have a couple of questions. One is, what do sponges eat and do they pee and poo?
Sponges eat
Straight to you, Sam.
particulate matter in the water column, most of them, not the carnivorous sponges. As far as excrement goes, I mean, all living things do. That's part of the 7 characteristics of life, but I'm not sure how or what it looks like. You know, that's a great question, though.
What are the 7 characteristics of life?
Oh, I think it's like growth,
go port?
excrement of waste.
Don't worry too much if it's too quick.
Let's see. I remember, I used to
Check
have to
that
know
guy.
this. 7 characteristics of life.
There's another one of
It's
those.
like 7th grade
Looks
biology.
like a beaker. We should call it a beaker
Yeah,
sponge.
reproduction,
And while we're there, what's that?
metabolism, homeostasis,
Oh, that's all right.
response to
Close.
stimuli,
Too late, yeah.
and adaptation through evolution.
I keep looking at things, trying to work it out without going, and then I can't work it out. Then I ask as a backup.
Yeah, so if something's alive, it's trying to organize its matter and keep itself in a stable way. So homeostasis, like we're in homeostasis because all of our insides are on the inside and we're staying warm and
Thank
we're
goodness.
not just, yeah, right? We're not just exploding into the air around us. We're in a balance. But those are some of the characteristics of life. Reproduction, growth, responding.
Looks like we have a couple casts here.
Yeah.
Another question for John or Matt, I imagine. Did we map here? I know there were maps of this area. Did Nautilus do any of that mapping? And is it possible to map and dive at the same time?
Nautilus did not do any of the mapping that we are using for this dive at the moment. It is possible to map and dive at the same time. However, there are complications can arise for diving. We're moving relatively quickly or at a, I guess, fairly typical pace. For mapping, we're moving incredibly slowly. And so we would have a lot of pings stacking up on top of each other, essentially, at this pace, and it just wouldn't be an efficient way to cover that ground, but you certainly could do it if you wanted to. The other risk you'd run is that with the acoustic beacons that we use to keep track of the location of the vehicles, you might run the risk of interference in both directions between the multi-beam system stepping on those or vice versa.
Yeah, the area was mapped before by a company that's interested in these nodules that we've seen. And that kind of mapping data in the Cook Islands is classified as environmental data. It all goes in the public domain. So if anyone wants a copy of the maps or the data that makes the maps, they just need to ask and we'll supply it to them. And the data from this area has gone into the project called GEPCO 2030. So the latest GEPCO grid, 2025 grid, includes this area at a higher resolution.
Back to that sponge question about how it gets rid of the waste. I just found this paper, if whoever asked it is interested, but it was published in 2022 by Nicholas Kornder and among others. And it says that the sponges will actually like expel like mucus from its ostia and a sort of like sneeze, so like a surface contraction, and it'll go against the flow of water coming in and expel all of this detritus, which is then taken up by the other creatures that are associated with the sponge.
Okay.
But yeah, pretty cool.
That's a pretty terrifying explanation. So the ones that we saw that were slimed and dying.
So that was just their poo.
They're dying in
Maybe.
their own.
They're just sneezing poo?
Maybe, and there's no creatures there to eat
Clean
it
it
up.
up,
yeah.
That would be really cool.
Well,
This, of course, is based on the shallow sponges, but I would
right,
love to know about those deep water sponges.
imagine that. If you eat too much.
Oh
Yeah,
God,
can you
consumed
imagine?
by your own waste. It's kind of how human
smothered by
populations
it,
go.
yeah.
Smothered by it, yeah.
Wow.
Oh, my Lanta.
Oh my Lanta.
So
Oh
yeah,
my Lanta.
what you'd be doing is you'd be trying to make your waste as tasty as possible to the
Yeah, I mean, if
Honestly.
you're a
critters
little
that clean it.
crustacean, it's like a feast.
You know that feeling when you have to sneeze and then you don't?
It's a
Yeah.
horrible feeling.
It's a horrible
Little
feeling.
urchin
Imagine being
there.
a sponge.
Man, I would love to imagine myself being a sponge. I'd love to be a sponge for a day.
So if we see
You guys
one
have
of
never
those,
seen a sponge sneeze before?
Yeah, me neither.
I would love to see a
I've seen
sponge
a sponge
sneeze.
sneeze.
You have?
You have?
Yeah.
Oh, that's so cool.
For real?
What kind of a sponge was it? What color?
I think it was heterocony,
yeah, thank you.
which is off the west coast of British Columbia.
Do you want to zoom there?
Cool.
Yeah, thank you. I'm pretty sure we know what it is, but let's double check.
Guess it's a holothurian. Oh no, it's a sponge.
It's a sponge.
And that little creature inside. I
Yeah, I
would
wanna
love to know.
well, hopefully it's
Oh.
doing its job.
I bet he is.
It's hard to gauge when to stop this.
There's this one sponge called the Venus flower basket, and it traps these two little crustaceans in, and they like mate for life. When they're really small, they drift inside of the spicules, and then they grow a little bit, and they can't get out. And so they spend their whole life inside of a sponge, cleaning
Cool,
it and
thank you.
living with each other.
Wow.
You know. And it's like a token of love in Japanese culture. They'll wash up on the
Flies
beaches
back.
and you'll gift it to someone that you really love.
Huh? Incredible.
How did that fly get on the ship?
We've been watching that fly
Yeah.
zoom around this van
Go
for
away.
ages.
John's
It
going to
really
start
likes Tim.
circling it and insist that we zoom on it.
That's our new pointer.
Yeah, don't go wherever he tells you to go, hey? He's not lead on the watch. That's life.
He's
And
very persistent, though.
Yeah,
it's,
he
it's an
is.
imposter, that one.
I wonder if he came on here when we were by an island and, you know,
Yeah.
found a little...
Well, there was one downstairs in the survey lab. I
Oh,
know
yeah?
Miles was chasing. Was it Miles? I think was chasing it for about 2 days.
Oh my
Miles
gosh.
would chase a fly.
Yeah.
He's a good fly catcher.
We presume they come in with a fruit or something.
Yeah. I was just Googling lifespan of a fly. 28 days.
Oof. Dang.
For some reason, I thought it was 24 hours.
That's a mayfly.
Oh, a mayfly?
Yeah. Mayfly, may die.
If we can come down a little bit, please.